Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to add threads profile link to your Instagram bio, and this is a straightforward method. Here's how you can do it, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and let's watch the video. First, you need to open threads app in your mobile phone. This is similar to Android to iPhone. Don't worry, this is not a web version, this is Android emulator, so this is an Android version. First, you need to open threads app, then you need to go to your profile in bottom right corner, just tap on it. Then you can see there is option called share profile, just tap on it. Then you can see this kind of link is appeared. What you need to do is just copy it. Okay, now you copied your profile link. Then what you need to do is you need to open it in your mobile phone. Then after you need to go to your profile. It is in the bottom side. Just tap on your profile icon here. Then you can see there is option called edit profile here. Just tap on it. Then go to little bit down. Then you will find this kind of option here, add link. What you need to do is just tap on add link. Then add external link, because this is a thread link, not a Facebook profile. Just tap on external link and paste the URL. Then after you can give any title for this. I like to give it as Instagram bio. After setting that, what you need to do is just tap on this mark. Alright, you added the link to your bio. Go back again and go back again. Yeah, you can see this is the link we added right now. So this is how you can add your threads link into your Instagram. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.